Sikat itong map na to dito sa TikTok. Hype lang ba o worth it naman? Kasi it has capability daw to separate the clean and dirt water. Kaya ito na nga, napa-order na nga ako. This brand is from Joybos, an M16 tornado mop. Included sa package ang bucket, rotating mop, and extra cloth. Ito yung pang brush ng mop and stick. It can be adjusted according to your height. So this is how to use it. If you want to clean your mop, push down the mop slowly. Automatically cleans the dirt attached to the mop. O, ito yung mga nakuhang dumi sa mop. And if you want to dry up your mop, press down quickly hanggang mag-color red na yung indicator. Meaning, tuyo na yung mop mo. And makikita mo talaga how it separates the clean and dirty water. And this rotating mop can be adjusted up to 360 degrees. So this is how you put cleansing water. Lagay lang tayo ng isang tabong tubig dito and add your cleaning liquid here. Mix mo lang sila and pwede na tong gamitin. Madali lang tong gamitin dahil magaan, mabilis kumapit ang dumi, at kahit sulok pa yan, kayang abutin. O grabe yung duming nakuha, no? Pero paikutin mo lang ulit dito sa bucket, lilinis na ulit yung mop mo. Kung gusto mo namang i-drain lang yung maduming tubig, dito mo siya papalabasin. Sulit by talaga itong Joybos rotating mop dahil adjustable, rotatable, and very sturdy. Kaya alam mo na, i-check out mo na din.